Looking for the best muscle-boosting exercises? Welcome to the world of fitness, where every rep counts and every drop of sweat is a step towards your goal. Whether you're an avid gym goer or just starting out, knowing the right exercises is key to maximizing your gains. Today, we're diving into the world of muscle-boosting exercises. We're going to explore 4 top-notch exercises that can take your fitness game to a whole new level. Stay tuned to discover the top 4 muscle-boosting exercises that can turn you into a fitness beast. Starting off with a classic, squats are a must for any muscle-building regimen. This exercise is a full-body fitness staple that works your thighs, hips and buttocks, quadriceps and hamstrings, and even your core. So how do we do a proper squat? Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Extend your arms out straight so they are parallel with the ground, palms facing down. Initiate the movement by inhaling and unlocking the hips, slightly bringing them back. Bend the knees and sit back as if you're trying to sit on a chair that's too far behind you. Go down until your thighs are as parallel to the ground as possible, with your knees over your ankles. Exhale and press your weight back up. Squats are incredibly beneficial for building leg and lower body strength. They improve muscle mass and strength, enhance core stability, and boost overall power and endurance. Remember, consistency is key with squats, so make it a part of your routine. Next up is the deadlift, a powerhouse exercise that targets multiple muscle groups. This is not just any exercise, folks. Deadlifts are one of the most effective and comprehensive workouts you can perform. Let's break it down step by step. First, stand with your feet hip-width apart, your toes under the barbell. Bend at your hips and knees, grip the bar with your hands shoulder-width apart. Keep your back straight, your gaze forward. As you lift, drive your heels into the ground and pull the bar up along your shins until you're standing tall. Lower the bar by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. This exercise is particularly beneficial for muscle building, especially for your back and core. It's a compound movement, meaning it works multiple muscle groups at once. The deadlift also enhances your grip strength and boosts your metabolic rate, leading to faster fat loss. Remember, form is key. Don't rush. And don't forget to breathe. Deadlifts can be challenging, but the results are definitely worth it. Moving on to the upper body, the bench press is a staple in any muscle-building workout. This power-packed exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, making it a triple threat for upper body strength. Let's break down how to perform a bench press. First, lie flat on your back on the bench. Grab the barbell with both hands, slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Now lower the barbell to your chest in a controlled motion. Keep those elbows tucked in. Exhale as you push the barbell back up until your arms are fully extended. Remember, it's not about how much weight you lift, but how you lift it. Incorporating bench press into your routine can help sculpt your chest and arm muscles and increase your overall strength. It can also improve bone health, balance, and coordination. With bench press, form is crucial, so make sure you're doing it right. Last but not least, pull-ups are a great exercise for those looking to build upper body strength. A classic move that stood the test of time, pull-ups are all about technique and persistence. They might seem intimidating at first, but with consistent practice, you'll be hoisting yourself up in no time. So how do you do a pull-up? Start by gripping the bar with your palms facing away from you, hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Hang at arm's length, then pull your body up until your chin is above the bar. Lower yourself back down, and that's 1 rep. Pull-ups primarily work the muscles in your back, shoulders, and arms, giving you that coveted V-shaped torso. They also engage your core, improving overall body strength and stability. Not to mention, they're a functional exercise, translating into real-world strength that's useful in everyday life. Pull-ups can be tough, but they're a fantastic way to build muscle and strength. So, there you have it. The top 4 muscle-boosting exercises: squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Each one crucial, each one beneficial in its own unique way. Emphasizing the importance of these exercises, they are the building blocks of a robust and fit physique. They target major muscle groups, enhancing your strength and endurance while promoting muscle growth. Remember, every fitness journey begins with a single step, so get out there and start building that muscle.